Aviation Direct is one of our tremendous Bateleurs associates, and they don't actually have any idea of how much they really help us, but it's silent help, because Aviation Direct have supported us with their two tremendous software packages, being Easy Plan and Easy Cockpit. And the Easy Plan works on your desktop or notebook computer. It's a very data-rich package that allows you seamless, click-by-click navigating and preparing of your route. One then presumably uploads that to your tablet or your notebook, and there you see it running right here. Here I am with the tablet operating in the car, aviation style, and running the Easy Cockpit. And I'm not going to try and talk you through it while I'm driving, that would be dangerous. But suffice to say that one needs nothing else. Once you've got this running in your cockpit, you've got all the airspaces, obstacle avoidances, HUTs, frequencies, you name it. I won't go through the whole list at this stage. It's a must-have for us, and the Bateleurs are thankful to Easy Cockpit for the fantastic ability that it gives us to navigate safely and easily on our missions. So, what is this morning's mission all about? Let me tell you about it as briefly as I can. You could hug a wetland, you'd rather hug that than a lion cub. And it's because our water resources are literally under siege of human encroachment. It gives us great delight that Umgeni Water, who is, let's call them the custodian of the water supply for Kwa-Zulu Natal in South Africa, have called us out to assist them with the provision of the aerial perspective in order that they can conduct a survey looking around in the catchment to assess and to monitor the impact of the human footprint as it encroaches into the wetland. Here we are, folks, arriving at Orubi Airport, Pietermaritzburg, to conduct our Bateleurs flight for the Umgeni Water, supplier of all the regional water in Kwa-Zulu Natal. Claude, where are we parking? What are we going to do? Are we going to go in here and offload, or?
No, I think let's go straight into the main parking. And we have. Well, then we have this is a zebra crossing with some chickens crossing.
It's a speed hump with a difference. It's not just an ordinary speed hump. It's got some chickens to slow us down as well. Come on, cuckooks.
Charlie Romeo 116, surface wind indicating easterly, estimate 6 knots, clear takeoff, left turn, report camper altitude 4,000 feet or below.
Thanks, clear take runway 16, and that will be left hand out and altitude 4,000 foot below, and we'll report next camper down, Sierra Charlie Romeo.
The whole area has just been completely